Vroom, vroom, kids. You wanna go for a ride? Vroom, vroom. What is up, beautiful, gorgeous, fabulous, sexy people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm riding a motorcycle. Okay, maybe not riding a motorcycle, but I am at my good friend Julana's house, except, actually, where is she? Julana, come here. Ta-da! Hi. So she has a motorcycle because she is a total badass, and I thought, you know, it would be fun to bedazzle it. Because what's the point of a motorcycle if it's not glittery, right?
Right, so people can see you.
Yeah.
On the road.
Exactly. It's a safety precaution. You want to be visible. The more bling, the better. So we're going to bedazzle this puppy up. This is not how you're supposed to sit on this, but without further ado, here we go. Bedazzling a motorcycle. Vroom, vroom, kids. Here we go. Woo, hello. Alrighty, so here we have the motorcycle. You can see it is black and honestly quite boring. No offense to your motorcycle. You know, my outfit is really cool, so we're gonna flash back to this morning earlier when I did my outfit of the day because it deserves a feature. Okay, wow, this is a mode. Since we're doing motorcycle chic, I thought we would wear my most biker-esque outfit. Ooh, like Princess Jasmine, but biker style. So I have this super cool little windbreaker iridescent kind of look here. Woo! That's a fun noise. Yes, 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 I know it's the dead of winter, but I don't care. So it comes with a little matching windbreaker-y crop top and some bootylicious pants. The silver with the silver with the silver, OMG. Jenny from the Block vibes with some more vintage sunnies and, of course, Tiffany's dog tag. I love it. Mood. I feel like I should have such an attitude in this. Honey, ooh. So that is basically our look of the day, and we are ready to go. So, kidding, I almost forgot it is a little cold out, so we've got a vintage jean jacket. Hi, now we're really off, so on we go. Okay. Julana, I actually know nothing about this. Would you like to model it like a Price is Right model for me?
Oh my gosh, sure. Well, here we have the brand new, just released in 2019, sporty Can-Am Ryker.
Woo!
One of my favorite things about it is that it has interchangeable panels, which is why I have hired Amber here to make my Ryker bedazzled.
Yes.
So we're gonna put two panels right here that are gonna be all blinged out.
Your boyfriend is here! We have a man! Hi, Carson! Aren't you so excited? Oh, God. Aren't you so excited we're gonna bedazzle the motorcycle?
I can't wait. Everyone's gonna think I'm so cool. I'm so cool when I'm riding it.
It's gonna be fabulous. Sparkles for every gender in 2020. Now we're gonna do another quick time travel and go to the store and pick up the supplies. So flash backwards to yesterday, us picking up the supplies. Alrighty, we're gonna visit Benny. Dun dun dun. Hi, Benny.
How are you?
We're good. How are you?
Nice to see you.
Oh, he missed you. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while.
Thank you.
Oh,
How are you?
thank goodness we're reunited.
Exactly. I missed this.
All right, so we're bedazzling a motorcycle, sir. Something interesting today. This is the most majestic store in the universe. Look at that. Oh, ma'am. Yes. Some goods for us.
Definitely. Look at this. Check this out. Check this out.
Oh, Ben. You know the way to my heart. This is gonna be so cool. Okay, so like I said, this is what we're bedazzling. So let's see what kind of creativity we can get into. Bow, bow, bow. This is how you look downtown at 9 a.m.
It's 10 a.m.
Oh, it's 10 a.m. Wow. I don't even know what day it is. Okay, what can we find? Ooh, this is cool. Oh, these could work wonders. Oh my God, this is so cute. Wow, if it was mine, this is what we'd do. Fringe is probably not the best idea, though I would love that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't think this is how you're supposed to wear this.
It's not on your head.
My head is so big.
You have a ponytail on?
Yeah.
That's why.
Oh, still a look. Oh my goodness.
You take your helmet off.
Oh, serving looks, ma'am. Serving looks. Oh, you look dashing.
Oh, yes.
It's haute couture. Madame.
Yes.
Alrighty. Oh my god, this is the most aesthetic haul ever. Ben, we love it.
You always make it good.
Hi, Benny. Alright, so we got the glittery goods. Now we're gonna bedazzle. Oh my goodness, this is such a great idea. I love it. Broke bitch fireplace tips. Okay, anyways. Ooh, hi Annabelle, hi. Okay, so we're gonna set up shop here. By the way, Julana's boyfriend hand carved this table for her. So if you wanna cry about how lonely you are, there's a fun fact. Okay, so here's what we got. Here's our haul of goodies. So looks kind of random, but we got, I'm not sure which kind of glue we're gonna use. Of course, I always use E6000 glue, low-key, even when I like don't include it because I love this stuff. Got the hot glue gun and some glue just in case too. Then for the crystals, we got the little row of crystals. We got bigger sheets of crystals, some extra crystals just in case, because the more crystals, the merrier. And that's what we got, so.
What is this?
Oh, it's like a crystal putter-oner thingy.
Oh, like a bedazzler?
Like a bedazzler.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, fun. So that's pretty much that. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Woo! So here we have panel A, and we're gonna see what we can do here.
Alrighty, so like I said, here are the side panels that we're going to be bedazzling. So you can see we're just gonna go ahead and take the really beautiful sheets of crystals, and hi Annabelle, and we're just gonna basically lay them on top of the panel like this. So we're gonna go ahead and trim them down to size with some scissors just to make it easier to work with. This is super easy. The crystals cut very simply along the lines there. And then you can see, like I said, we just kind of drape it over the panel like so. Go ahead and hot glue that right on and boom, you got a panel. Go ahead and trim the edges. It doesn't have to be perfect because we can touch it up later. But you can see, there we go. Ooh, he's shiny in the sun. Wow. Of course, go ahead and do the other one too, and then voila. That's really it, super easy. Gluing stuff to stuff is really not that hard when you are used to doing it, but that is basically the only steps for this project. Took me 10 minutes. We love that.
Okay, so now we're just gonna kind of attach them on here. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
That's
dun,
good news
dun,
about
dun,
your car.
dun. Woohoo! This is so cool. Bum 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 bum. Dun 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 dun. All right, kids, you ready to ride? Vroom vroom. Wow, this is so aesthetic. Look at that. I should be a Tumblr photographer. Great, so the best part of this video.
Amber's gonna ride the motorcycle.
Yeah, I am. This is true.
You're adventurous now, Amber.
I am adventurous. I wore sneakers. That's adventurous. All right, let's try this.
Oh my god, my pants look so cool. What? So, of course, before we actually rode the motorcycle, we had to do a miniature photo shoot because, you know, anything for the Instagram. But eventually it was time to really get ready. And
Just put it on your head. Straight up? Yep. Just push it down.
it's gonna mess up my hair.
That's what it does. Just my head's doing.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. I've never been on a motorcycle, but I mean, are you ready? We look like space aliens.
Here, put this up. So you can see your
Oh, there. This, wow, this is a look, kids. Ooh. All right, are you ready? Oh my god. God, I'm scared. Me, it's safe.
It's safe.
Okay.
It's safe. You gotta hold on.
Hold on. Okay, I'll hold on. Okay, I'm ready. Here we go. Ah! Oh, we're barely moving. Okay. Okay, very slow. Woo! Wild and woolly. Okay, you can go a little faster.
This is 2 miles an hour.
2 miles is plenty. Maybe 3 miles, just for fun. Woo! This is fun. Just no sharp turns. Woo! This is like my Lizzie McGuire dream. Hello, sing to me.
Yes, I know this video is silly, but it's just meant to inspire you to be extra and try something new in 2020. It's another year to live our lives freely and beautifully. So do it.
Love it?
Yes. I love it. I'm gonna be riding this around LA.
Hell yeah. So if you see a glittery motorcycle, it's her. Great, hat head reveal is the blooper. Honestly, not as bad as anticipated. Slightly windblown, but also I was too scared to go any faster than 17 miles an hour.
She made it to 17.
Woo! adventurous.
Yes, you are.
So there you have it, guys. That was us bedazzling a motorcycle. Me riding one. I didn't ride it. You like gave me a ride, but still.
It was outside the box.
Yeah, it was outside the
adventurous.
box. It was an adventure. So, as always, don't forget to subscribe if you want to check out Jelana. I'll link her below. And I love you guys so much. Don't forget in 2020 to live a little. Bedazzle your motorcycle. Do whatever it is you want to do.
Amber.
Oh, my pleasure, sis. Till next time, my sweet angels. I love you. XO. So many cars being noisy today, but so without bedazzling.